All right, so there we go again. TikTok up. That was another track of Justin because I waited for the end of the last one. And you can see like I haven't been so far in cutting in the back, but you can see normally that there is a part that has been further cut. I don't know where exactly. I think this is it here. I think it's here. So it means that once again you have the pimple and you have G Lonely, who has been ordering for someone to cut my hair in my sleep. And once again, once I shave, same pattern, I realize that. And I have been seeing the pimple, the submissive pimple, and Gilles with a Harvard pullover to go buying socks. In my dreams. And before that, I was in a shop going to buy food, and someone from the Club de Marsouin, the swimming club where I was, and when I started to stop talking, immediately my royal delicates were stimulated because for them it was a win. For them it was like, oh, this is working. They are being blocked. The technology is working, or the magic is working. I don't know where they are at. For me, they are thinking that this is the magic, but this is not the magic. This is the technology. And I don't know. I don't understand how they can still think that it's all about the magic right now, and I don't understand why they want to absolutely appear in my fucking dreams. I don't know what they hope from this. Their reputation has been just obliterated. Absolutely everything is known about them. And I'm going to go further in delivering more information about the networks from these submissive people, because there are two places in Cuverville where it's heavily guarded in appearance. So it's super satanic. It's super out of proportion, like exuberant security measures. And so I'm going to show you the two spots. Then, like, if I remember it, then I just don't know why they still appear in my dreams. I don't understand what's the point. Harvard, in my dreams, it's like it means that they actually indeed know that I was reading the Epstein files, so that they are following closely what I am doing, right? And that I could have internet connection here to fight back as well, because my file has been modified. So it means that some people in the intelligence world are blocking the fact that I could right now be delivering more information about them. So it means that those people are also on the killing list, because they are working in making sure that humanity would be decimated right now. This is a war against aliens. You don't know their methods. You don't know how they act. You don't know what they're going to do next. You don't know how they operate. And then you are still taking fucking risk so that they would wipe out the entire species. All the technology that is used right now, the most advanced technology that is used right now by human beings, is taken from alien technology. This means that aliens are way beyond that, what we think is God level technology right now. If you can't understand this, then you have to die. Because the species is dying, is being killed right now because you think that access to alien technology, a small part of it, you think that this is God level actions. You have no clue about what they are actually able and capable to do. You don't know why I'm here, how I will operate, what's my plan. You have absolutely no clue about that. Perhaps I'm letting you to push me that far so that I would have a legitimate reason to exterminate the entire species, because I need the entire species to be exterminated, because this is a fucking shit show. Because the species has to die. So perhaps I am just seeking for a valid reason to exterminate the species. Perhaps it's not about saving the species, but it's about pushing that far so that I would have finally the final element showing to me that the species has to die and that we can do like the dinosaurs, wipe everything out to restart another one. Because you're feeling like God lovers, fucking shit show, whatever, because you had access to a small part of what aliens can do. This is fucking crazy. So, from now on, all the people going against me, whatever you do, you're dead. Okay? You're fucking dead. This is over. You are dead. No matter what you do. You have been doing good. You come against me right now. You're dead. This is an extermination level type of action. You have aliens killing people right now. You stop everything. You come against me. You're dead. I don't know how you will die, but you're dead. You're on a list, and I'm going to make sure that you're not living anymore in any space and time anywhere.